everyone. We're here in Lakeshore and it's near in San Fernando intersection. And if you're from Manila, you use this road to Mexico or to San Fernando, you can stop here. Yes, in Lex. So you can stop here in Lakeshore. You can drink some Starbucks. They have also McDonald's here, and they have also park here inside. You can also go, and you can park here and just little bit rest if you just want to sleep. So take a look the place here.
And you can see this is before in COVID time they use face shields. Without face shield and the face mask not allowed. But now all allowed already. So it's okay now.
Yes, it's okay already, but maybe next they will, maybe from government also will gonna close here.
Why close?
Because maybe have pandemic again starting.
Shira, pandemic. No, don't have pandemic. What is this? Potato corner. How much potato here? Regular is 35, 90. Shira, interesting clothes. What is shoes? It's second hand. Second hand. Adobe roll. Take a look, Shira. But why is Adobe inside? I never seen Adobe roll. Inside Adobe? So inside in this
It's meat inside.
meat inside. This chocolate. I never seen Adobe roll before. What is like cookies?
It's cookies, but it's good.
Did you try before?
Yes, I try it, and if you drink some tea, it's better. This one.
Okay. It's popular Filipino chicharron name. Take a look. No, it's not spicy. This is spicy. Different taste also. This is pig skin, yes.
Also they have
Garlic chips. Yeah. It's good for tourists. They can buy here, and if someone travel to another country. Mancha, Chinese tea. Strawberry, take a look, Shira. Have strawberry, same like Baguio, maybe from Baguio. Strawberry. I think from Baguio. Souvenirs. Good for home, yes?
yes, and then you children they will.
Brock, children can walk.
But this one is better.
Head.
If someone go inside the house, like someone rob.
Shira is not the same. Also shoes. Yes. Original copy Gucci. Armani. Okay. Filipino delicious. Chicharron. I know. I remember his name. Chicharron.
Have nuts also here.
What is with nuts?
Nuts.
Nuts.
This one is good.
Also cookies.
Yes, it's cookies. I like this. And dessert, I like this.
What name?
It's like in coconut.
This name
Makapuno. It's coconut.
Makapuno. Makapuno. It's coconut.
Coconut. Coconut. This also lengua. It's good.
What?
Lengua.
Filipino delicious.
It's good, really. Even in Baguio have also that.
Yes.
They have vinegar.
Vinegar.
They have pickles. I don't know what is this. Maybe they have. Oh, honey.
Honey.
Yes, it's honey.
Okay.
It's real honey, oh.
Yes. Okay, let's go. It's toy for children.
Hi guys, before we travel in NLEX or in Bulacan, so heavy rain, that's why we stop here and just a little bit rest so that, and also we can need to wait the rain stop, and we also eat here in Lakeshore.
And Tokyo.
Tokyo.
Tokyo. Japanese restaurant.
Of course. And also near it's McDonald's already, and in the front is
Starbucks in the front. Yes, it's Tokyo. Okay, let's go to home now.
no, of course it's also Father's Day right now.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.